Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mike here with Unique Mechanics. Today we have a super cool car, and this is directly from the 2018 New York Auto Show. Now this is the 2019 Toyota Avalon concept car. Now let's talk about the design. Now its breakthrough, striking, and powerful design leverages that Toyota's new global architecture platform, allowing for a lower silhouette and wider stance. It's actually really beautiful, and it's quite long. I mean, just take a look at that body. Now, the dark gray grille and the chrome surrounded LXE in the limited models, but more aggressive attitude with the XCE and Touring, including a piano black mesh grille and the piano black finishes throughout the entire exterior. Also, the signature premium signatures LED headlights and the DRL, they're also aluminum hooded. Now, when I'm looking at the performance of this car, it's up there. Now, there's several variations. We got the 3.5 liter V6 engine with the D4S fuel injection paired with the TNGA, a speed direct shift AT. Now, through Sports Plus mode, the passengers receive a very exciting and exhilarating natural sound through the new exhaust system with an active baffled shape and intake sound generator, active noise control, and the engine sound enhancement. It's absolutely fantastic. I mean, a lot of great options are going into this car and the intelligent technology. Now, when I was in the interior of the car, I felt really comfortable. I thought it was awesome. I think the interior is pretty awesome. I mean, it's got this cognac interior color. That's what you're seeing there with that large display, and just the overall feel and the very futuristic look of that middle dash was very cool. I didn't really see it on a lot of newer cars, but it had a lot of storage space. It was very simplified, but also gave me that very nice, like kind of like moving forward look. And that inside middle dash was definitely what it was all about. Now, a lot of leather trim, beautiful stitching. Overall, I thought the concept and the look was unique and very exciting. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I'll see you here again. Hey, what's up? My name is Mike, and I am the videographer here at Unique Mechanics. What I want you to do is subscribe to the channel. Here is my logo. It is a subscription button. Make sure you hit it. It'll take you to the following page to subscribe. Why subscribe? So you can get frequent notifications regarding most recent uploaded videos. If it's a car video, if it's a watch video, if you love them, I want you to continue watching them and continue to get notified. Make sure you do so I can see you here next time. Thanks for watching.